Hi, welcome to our new session. Today I am going to discuss about input-output functions in character and strings. Already we learned about the input-output functions in C program in previous classes. That is a generic input-output function. The scanf and printf are a generic input-output functions. It will support the built-in data types like float, integer, double, character, string, etc. Here I am introducing two input-output functions, that is getSof and putSof. These two functions are specialized to scan and print only the string data. You must remember that these two functions only used by string handling function. There is some basic difference between scanf and getSof. When we read a string from the keyboard, the scanf accepts character by character from the keyboard until either a new line or a blank space is found, whichever comes earlier. That means scanf can only read the character by character from the keyboard. Whenever reach a new line or a blank space or a enter key or a press an enter key, whichever is earlier. See that example program scanning string with the scanf. Here we can declare on variable that is char a of 20, that is an array of character. First printf enter a string scanf percentage s. Percentage s is a conversion character. When we are reading a string, we can use percentages. When we are reading a character, we can use percentage c. So here we are reading a string. That's why we are using percentage s. Then printf output. Here I can input a string that is Jack and Jill. Actually, Jack is a single word, and is a single word, and Jill is another single word. So totally three words is there. But only we have to declare one percentage is in scanf statement. That is one conversion character is there. That means only one single string will be read. The output is the first string is scan, that is Jack, and Jill is removed because we are using only one character conversion character in scanf statement. If we need to read Jack and Jill, so we can put three conversion character, that is scanf percentages, percentages, percentages. So it will read Jack and Jill. While getSof function accepts until a new line is found, not a blank space. It will read blank space also. That is, it accepts white space and tab also. These input functions append a null character at end of a string. The formatted string %s is used in printf function and scanf. See that example, scanning string with gets. Here also we can declare char a of 20, that is an array of character, then printf enter the string. Here in the previous example we are using scanf statement. Here we, instead of scanf, we can use getSof a. I hope that you can understand the difference between the scanf and the gets. Whenever we are using scanf, it can accept character by character. But in gets, it can accept a single word at the blank space whenever the new line occur. Whenever the new line occur, the total string will be accepted. So here I input Jack and Jill, gets treat as a single string, so totally Jack and Jill will accept. In scanf statement, Jack and Jill is a three string where gets considered as a single string. I hope that all of you understand the difference between the gets of and the scanf. The same method can be applied in puts of. To see that example, here we can declare name 30 character, array of character. Gets a function can be used to read that name, then printf name. Same we can use puts of name function to display. Output will be enter name free time learning name free time learning. I hope that you can understand the concept of gets and puts in string operations. Thank you very much.